This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our guide on upgrading your Ford F-150's audio system. In this continuation, we'll focus on the finer details of optimizing your sound system, from tuning your audio settings to troubleshooting common issues. Let's ensure your F-150 delivers the premium audio experience you deserve. Installation process. After selecting the perfect receiver and speakers for your Ford F-150, it's time to dive into the installation process. Let's walk through the steps to wire the receiver, mount the speakers securely, and optimize the sound system for a top-notch audio experience. Wiring and connections. When it comes to wiring your new audio system, precision is key. Start by disconnecting the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Identify the wiring harness that matches your Ford F-150 model and connect it to the receiver following the color-coded instructions. Take your time to ensure each connection is secure and free from any loose wires. For the speakers, match the polarity of the wires to the terminals on both the speakers and the receiver. Make sure to insulate any exposed wires to prevent short circuits. Double-check all connections before proceeding to the next step. Mounting the speakers. Proper speaker placement is crucial for an immersive audio experience in your Ford F-150. Consider the acoustics of your truck and aim to mount the speakers in locations that minimize vibration and interference with other components. Secure the speakers using mounting brackets or screws provided in the installation kit. Before tightening the mounts, test the speaker positions by playing different audio tracks to identify the optimal placement for balanced sound projection. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, secure the speakers firmly to prevent any movement while driving. Testing and sound optimization. Testing the audio system is the final step to ensure everything is working seamlessly. Reconnect the battery and power on the receiver to check if the speakers produce sound. Adjust the audio settings to fine-tune the sound quality, including bass, treble, and balance controls. Take this opportunity to test various music genres and audio sources to gauge the performance of your new setup. Confirm that all components are functioning correctly and that there are no distortions or feedback issues. Once you're satisfied with the sound quality, you're all set to enjoy your favorite tunes on the road in your Ford F-150. Enhancing the audio experience. Embark on a quest to transform your Ford F-150 into a mobile concert hall by mastering the art of sound tuning and equalization. By delving into the basics of sound tuning, you can unleash the full potential of your newly installed receiver and speakers. Explore the world of equalizers and audio settings, allowing you to fine-tune the sound to match your preferences. Adjusting the treble, bass, and balance can make a pivotal difference in the audio quality inside your vehicle. Are you ready to take your audio experience to the next level? Maintenance and care tips. Just like any other aspect of your vehicle, your audio system requires regular maintenance to ensure it performs optimally for years to come. Implementing a simple maintenance routine can make a world of difference in preserving the longevity of your receiver and speakers. Regularly inspect and clean your audio components to prevent any buildup of dust or debris that could impact performance. Shield your system from environmental factors by parking in shaded areas to avoid direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in keeping your audio system sounding crisp and clear. Future upgrades and accessories. As you immerse yourself in the world of enhanced audio experiences, consider the array of future upgrades and accessories that could further amplify the sound quality of your Ford F-150. Explore the possibility of incorporating amplifiers to boost the power and depth of your audio output. Dive into the realm of subwoofers to add a new dimension of bass to your music. Additionally, consider investing in sound-deadening materials to create a seamless acoustic environment within your vehicle. These upgrades can truly be game-changers in sculpting the perfect audio setup that caters to your musical preferences. Dare to enhance your driving experience with these cutting-edge upgrades that will take your audio system to new heights. Upgrading the receiver and speakers in your Ford F-150 can truly revolutionize your driving experience. By choosing the right components tailored for your vehicle, you can enjoy crystal-clear sound quality and immersive audio that will make every journey more enjoyable. Investing in a high-quality receiver and speakers is not just about enhancing the music you listen to, it's about creating a personalized sound environment that complements your driving style and preferences. The impact of a superior audio system on your overall driving experience cannot be understated. If you're ready to take your vehicle's audio system to the next level, don't hesitate to explore the possibilities of upgrading your receiver and speakers. With the right components installed, you'll be amazed at how much more enjoyable your time on the road can be. Thanks for joining us in part 2 of our Ford F-150 audio system upgrade guide. We hope you've gained valuable insights into fine-tuning your system for optimal performance. With the tips and techniques covered in both parts, you're well equipped to enjoy a superior audio experience in your F-150. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.